I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about all the things you do.
Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from food.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make some chocolate crinkle cookies. In a large bowl, we just want to combine our wet ingredients. So we have the eggs in there, some light brown sugar, the vanilla extract, and I also added in the instant coffee granules. I'm just going to whisk this until it's well combined and set it to the side. In the meantime, you also want to combine your dry ingredients in a separate bowl, and you want to start melting your butter and chocolate in the microwave at like 50% power, and mix it every minute or so until it's fully melted. So it really doesn't matter what order you add the dry ingredients and chocolate, but you just want to add them all in there and begin to fold in until no more streaks of flour remain. And I also added in like a handful, I guess, of chocolate chips. I used a mixture of the bittersweet and semi-sweet. So on one side of this shallow dish, I have some granulated sugar, and I also have powdered sugar on the right. I used a ice cream scoop, like a medium-sized ice cream scoop, to scoop out the dough. You do want the dough to rest after you fold everything in for about 10 minutes at room temp before doing this. So yeah, you roll out the cookie ball and place on one side, which is the granulated sugar side. Roll it all up in the granulated sugar, and then you pretty much dust it full of the powdered sugar, and then you tap off any excess, place it on your greased and lined baking sheet. You do want about 2 inches of space in between each cookie dough ball, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You're gonna bake it at 325 for 10 minutes, and then I let it cool. I let the cookies cool on the sheet for about 5 more minutes out of the oven before I move them to a wire rack. But you can see just how big and beautiful these cookies are, and just how easy this recipe is to make. You can see we didn't use any mixer, whether it be a stand mixer or a hand mixer. You can really just use the good old bowl and whisk, and rubber spatula, of course. But yeah, these are our cookies. You want to let them cool just slightly. I do like to enjoy them slightly warm, and once they cool a bit, you can sink your teeth into them and enjoy. So the full recipe will be on facefood.com. Please make sure to like this video if you like it, and comment below if you have any comments or questions. I know it's been a while. I do appreciate your patience, but I am back now, and hopefully we can stay consistent this time. So I wanted to start out with a pretty easy recipe for you that will definitely fit in with this holiday season. I hope you guys do give these a try. They are absolutely delicious. It's like a brookie instead of just a cookie. So hope you guys give this a try and enjoy, and until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.
I've been reading you to figure what you're down for. I wanna figure out to make it come around. No, we should quit the game and settle things right here, right now. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about all the things you do. I wanna take you from